welcome to my channel. As you guys know, this is press season, a blown out season, and I wanted to blow out my hair just to wear it for the week. But here on YouTube, I learned a new technique, so I'm bringing it to you guys. I wanted to share it with you. It was really great to try this, and I am going to blow dry my hair just like that from now on. So my hair was freshly washed. I braided them, and now it's been a couple hours, I believe like 4 hours since I washed my hair, deep condition, and put the leave-in conditioner on it. And then now we are going to start blowing it out. This is, follow along with me, this is how the technique is to do it as you are braiding your hair, and you use this blow dryer to do it. And it might seem like I am being really rough with my hair. That's not the case. It's because I am speeding up this video for you. That's why you see it like that. But I'm actually being very gentle with my hair, so I don't whip my hair out. And I love this. Following along with me, and let me know if you are going to try this technique. And voila, this is the end. It looks so good. My hair feels so good, very dry and stretched out. I wanted to thank you all for watching. This is how I'm going to blow my hair from now on, because it was very easy and very quick. Don't forget to try different things with your hair. Don't be afraid with your hair. It is meant to have fun. It's a wonderful accessories that we have. Our hair meant for us to have fun with it. Have fun with your hair. Try different style, different technique. I'll see you next time.